How to clear watch history on YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to clear your watch history on YouTube TV. Clearing your watch history can be useful for privacy or to prevent past viewing from influencing your future recommendations. Let's find out how to do it. To clear your watch history on YouTube TV, you'll need to manage your activity settings, which are tied to your Google account. You can typically do this through a web browser, on a computer or mobile device, or sometimes within the YouTube TV app itself, depending on the device. The most comprehensive way is often through your Google account settings. Open a web browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you are logged in to the Google account that you use for your YouTube TV subscription. On the Google My Activity page, you will see various types of activity. You can filter your activity. Look for an option to filter by YouTube history or specifically YouTube TV watch history. If you find an option to filter by YouTube history, select it. On the YouTube history page, you will see a list of videos and shows you have watched. To clear individual items, you can usually click an X next to each entry. To clear your entire YouTube history, look for an option to delete activity by, or delete activity by topic or product. Click on this option. In the deletion menu, select the time frame you want to clear, such as last hour, last 24 hours, all time, or a custom range. Make sure that YouTube history, or YouTube TV, is selected as the product you want to delete history for. Confirm the deletion. This will clear your watch history. Alternatively, within the YouTube TV app on some devices, you might find an option under Settings or Privacy to clear watch history. The availability and exact location of this option can vary by device. If you find it, selecting it will typically clear the watch history associated with the profile you are currently using. We hope this video helped you learn how to clear your watch history on YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.